the X5 wireless headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the X5 wireless by JAYS. These are on-ear style headphones. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and an audio cable. The X5 wireless features 20 hours of playtime. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 4.1 and SBC AAC codec, button controls, micro USB for charging, and has 40mm drivers. The headphones feel light and it has a solid design. Their ear cups swivel out and also fold in for easy storage. The ear indicators are marked on the inside of the band. The ear cups use a memory foam padding and it feels very soft and well padded. Again, these are on-ear style headphones, not over the ear. And the headband also has a good amount of padding all around. You get a good amount of travel for adjustment, and it has a metal finish all around. And you can see it flex here. So this should have no issues fitting larger heads. The outer face of the ear cups have a smooth finish with the JAYS branding on each side. On the left side, you have the micro USB charge port and the LED charging indicator. On the right side, you have the playback buttons, audio port, the on and off button, LED indicator, and microphone. And it weighs in at 150 grams. Now for some audio samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It's not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacement for actually having them on. The microphone worked well during calls and it was loud and clear. The other parties had no issues hearing me. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable and I didn't experience any disconnects as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the JAYS X5 wireless headphones. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Overall comfort was great. The ear cups and headband padding were very soft. It had good flexibility and it didn't feel like it was tight around the ears. It felt like I didn't even have them on at times because it was so lightweight. Build and quality I feel is solid. It feels durable and not cheap at all. The design is simple and has a sharp look to it. Button controls are easy to navigate and are responsive. The only thing that I wish for is that it came with a carrying pouch or a case. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it was tight and punchy. It had very good depth and it wasn't overwhelming. Mids and highs were also clean and clear. It didn't get distorted at high volumes and it did well with various music genres that I tested it with, such as pop, EDM, and alternative. If I were to compare these with the MPOW headphones that I previously reviewed, Those would have the deep bass and fall a bit more on the warm side. The X5 falls more on the balanced side, and it gives you a good experience across the board. So that is my review of the JAYS X5 wireless headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.